What's up guys, today we are going to look at how to root your Android device. Now you need to ensure that you have a custom recovery installed on your Android device. Currently I am running on TWRP custom recovery. Now let me show you on which Android version I am currently on. I am currently on Android 7.1.2 version and I am currently running the Nexus ROM. Now all the links are provided in the description box down below. Please make sure that the super.se file is in your home directory. As you can see, super.se file is present in my internal storage. Now I'll switch off my device to enter into the recovery mode. Now to enter into a recovery mode, you need to press some combinations of buttons. For my case, it's volume down and power on off button simultaneously. Every device has their own combinations. Now I've entered into the recovery mode. As you can see, I have TWRP recovery mode installed in my device. Now I will tap on the installed. I'll scroll down and I'll find the file super.se. Just tap on it and swipe right to flash it. Now I've already done that, so I'm not going to do it again. So after that, just go to the advanced, again and select Dalvik cache and swipe right to clear it. Now I've done that too. Now just restart your device. To check whether your device is rooted or not, just install the app named Root Checker. I'll mention the links in the description box down below. And just click on Verify Root. As you can see, I have successfully rooted my device. So that's it for this guys. See you in the next one.